So if you come across this video and you're looking for all the necessary equipment that you're going to need for your camper, whether you've been camping for years or if you're just picking up one for the first time, kind of like we just did, one of the things you're quickly going to realize that you probably need is adapters to be able to power this thing at campgrounds based on the service they have available to you. So on my checklist was a 50 amp to 30 amp adapter. So if I get to a campground and they don't have a 50 amp service, I can still utilize a 30 amp and be able to get power to the things in the camper that I probably need the most, like being able to run the AC. There's a couple different kind of adapters on the market. The one that I kind of found when I was doing my research was that I was going to need this particular one right here. Different brands have different styles, and the reason I was kind of drawn to this one here was that I really liked the pull tabs on this one here. Some of them have just one solid opening, and I've seen some of them where they have a small but smaller opening too. So if you're someone who's got a little bit larger hands and fingers, it's kind of hard to get in there and get my fingers wrapped around some of those. Whereas this one here's got 3 holes, and they're pretty good size. So even if you got bigger fingers, you can really get in there and kind of pull these things apart. And as you'll see here, I've got my 50 amp cord. So what you're basically going to do is you'll be able to push these together like so, and you have a nice tight connection like that. And then my actual factory 50 amp plug here has those 3 ring holes as well. So you can kind of get in there and just pull those things back apart just like that. I really like this cord based on the other models, basically just for the design alone. Not to mention, this is a pretty stout cord. It feels extremely well built. And a lot of the cords that friends of mine use when they're doing their camping, when I was asking for recommendations, they were all kind of recommending this cord to me as one of the must-haves I needed to have and add to my camper when I got one of my own. So here we are. That's what I've got. This one's checked off my list. I can move on to the next item. Hopefully that was somewhat helpful for you. I appreciate you guys taking the time to watch. We'll catch you guys on the next one.